Two-factor authentication, not working on Cadre App Fix. If you're having trouble with two-factor authentication on the Cadre app, don't worry, it's a common issue that's easy to fix once you know what's causing it. Most people get this wrong because they assume it's a server problem, but the surprising truth is, it's often a small technical glitch on your device. Let's start with your phone's date and time settings. Two-factor authentication codes rely on precise synchronization. Go to your phone settings, enable Set Automatically, and make sure your time zone is correct. Even a tiny timing mismatch can cause your code to fail. Next, check for updates to the Cadre app in your App Store or Google Play Store. Running an old version can create security mismatches. Once you update, restart the app and try logging in again. If you use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, open it and tap Sync Time for codes. This aligns your device with Cadre's authentication system. If you're supposed to receive codes by text but they're not arriving, turn off your VIN and switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Some networks or carriers block automated security messages. If you recently got a new phone or deleted your authenticator, don't worry. Just tap Can't Access Two-Factor Authentication. When logging in, Cadre support team can verify your account and help you reset your phone securely. If the issue continues, uninstall and reinstall the Cadre app. This clears cached data that could be interfering with login attempts. After sensing your time, updating the app and refreshing your connection, your two-factor authentication should start working again. It's a small extra step, but it plays a huge role in keeping your investments and personal data safe, ensuring your Cadre account remains protected from unauthorized access.